And welcome back to my channel. In this we'll see how to convert number from decimal to binary. Okay, how to do conversion. That means a decimal number is given, example 5. Okay, that should be converted to binary. So always when you want to convert from decimal to any other system, you have to divide by the base of this. Okay, so we know that for the base of binary is 2, so divide just by 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, so remainder is 1, so that I'm writing here. Okay, again divide by 2 because this is not the simplest, so 2 1s are 2, so remainder is 0. So this is your equivalent, so this is your LSB bit, this is your MSB bit, so the equivalent value is 1 0 1 to base 2. Okay, so this is how you have to convert from decimal to binary. Just divide by that number. This should be your MSB. Any number you have to do same. Okay, so this is how to convert from decimal to binary. Okay, so let's take one more example. Okay, suppose 17 is there. Okay, I have taken this. This is what? To base 10. This you need to convert to, is the question, to binary. 2 means you have to convert to binary. So what you have to do? Just 17 just divide by 2. So 2 8s are 16. So you'll get remainder 1. Again divide by 2. 2 4s are 8. This is 0. Again divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So you'll get remainder 0. Again this you divide by 2. So 2 1s are 2. So remainder is 0. So how to write? This is your MSB. So 1, this 0, 0, this 0, 0, 1. Okay. So this is the name to base 2. Okay. So this is how we convert from decimal to, okay, not in points, only the number. Okay, fraction we'll see afterwards. Just you divide by that number. Okay, want to try new. Okay, any number same. Suppose 20. 20 also same. Just divide by 2. 2 tens the 20. So remainder 0. Again divide by 2. 2 5s are 10. So remainder 0. Again divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 1. Again divide by 2. 2 1s are 2. Okay, so 0. So you'll get 1 0 1 0 0 to base 2. Okay, so this is the equivalent of 20. Okay, this is how we convert from, this is your decimal number, this is convert to binary. That's all in this video. Thank you. Please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.